Home at last. 20 Jamaican students who were in war-torn Ukraine returned to Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, authorities explain why Victoria, the Ukrainian cat, cannot come to Jamaica right now. And business leader warns of tough times for businesses if Russia-Ukraine war continues. We'll also have the Business Day, primetime sports and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to news that some Jamaican students who were in Ukraine are back home this evening? You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.